Today, we're going to show you how to enhance the security of your iPhone by changing your passcode. Whether you want to update your existing passcode for better protection or simply change it for personal preference, changing your iPhone passcode is a simple process. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through each step. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. The first step in changing your passcode on your iPhone is to open the Settings app. Look for the Settings icon on your home screen. It's a gray gear-shaped icon, and tap on it to open the app. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode option, depending on the model of your iPhone. After tapping on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, you'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. This is the passcode you're currently using to unlock your iPhone. Type in your passcode and tap on Enter or OK to continue. Once you've entered your current passcode, scroll down to the Change Passcode option and tap on it. You may be prompted to enter your current passcode again for security purposes. Type in your new passcode using the on-screen keypad. Your new passcode can be a combination of numbers, letters, or both, depending on your preference. After entering your new passcode, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. This ensures that you've entered the correct passcode and helps prevent accidental changes. Once you've confirmed your new passcode, your iPhone will notify you that your passcode has been successfully updated. You can now use your new passcode to unlock your iPhone and access your device's features. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your passcode on your iPhone. By updating your passcode regularly and choosing a strong and unique combination, you can enhance the security of your iPhone and protect your personal data. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.